guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back today. I feel like I'm kind of losing my voice. I don't really know what's going on, but I think I'm losing my voice and I'm very upset about it. But anyway, we're all good. So today's look is going to be another monochromatic look. What my intention is to go through all the colors of the rainbow. So we obviously started with red last week. So today's going to be orange, and then we're going to go down, 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 down. I feel like it could be cool. I feel like it's like a good like series. These series are like a lot easier, and it just like forces me because then I like know what I'm doing, and then it like eliminates the like stress of like trying to figure out new video ideas each week. So these series are like, it just like keeps it more consistent. So today's orange, and yeah, I'm not going to be covering my brows. We're just going to be doing foundation. So that's all good. And I also want to say real quick that I also have another video up on my Patreon. I've got another makeup tutorial on my Patreon. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen like a little bit of a sneak peek. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's just Lucy Garland. Go follow. What my plan is, and we'll see how this goes, but my plan is to upload twice a week. So once on my YouTube and once on my Patreon. So every time I upload on my YouTube, there's going to be another video on my Patreon. So if you want to go see another makeup tutorial, go on my Instagram, have a little sneak peek, see if you like what you see, go sign up, and then you can see that. So that's it. I'm not gonna cover my brows. I'm not. I'm just gonna find my foundation is what I'm gonna do. And then I'll be back and we'll get right into it. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Okay, so straight in with our foundation. You guys know the idea. We're going in with our Kryolan paint stick all over. I swear to God, every single time I upload a video, I get at least 7 comments talking about my beauty blender. About how I'm like so aggressive and like the noise. People either really, really like noise. Like I get comments like, oh my God, the sound of your beauty blender is like ASMR. I'm like, what the fuck? Apparently I'm like really aggressive with it. I don't know. I suppose my only answer is this foundation is like paint. So it takes a little bit more work to really blend it in properly because it's so thick. Okay, cool. Easy. Done. That's it. Now we're going to go in with some concealer. Our usual one, our Marc Jacobs Remarkable Concealer in 3 Young. Straight under there, all up the nose. Perfecto mundo. Okay, a little bit of contour. So like usual, I'm taking my NYX foundation. Motherfucker. I just went everywhere. Bitches. Okay, blend that out. Okay, back in with our concealer. Okay, I'm just gonna take a smaller little brush and our concealer again and just sort of really highlight down the bridge. All right, so we're gonna go straight in and start setting all this. So, taking my beauty blender, getting rid of our creases. Alright, so I just used my Kat Von D translucent setting powder underneath the eyes, and now we're going to go in with our air spun everywhere else. Start brushing all that back. Okay. Ah! Alright, most important part. Getting rid of everything that's on my hands because it gives me so much anxiety. It just freaks me out when I put foundation all over my hands. Let's do some contours and highlights and stuff. So I'm going to take Kat Von D Shade My palette, this color here. Switch brushes, contour now. We're going to take our lighter color. Okay, cool. Woo! Woo! Record timing! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, people, let's do this then. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I really don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so we're going to go in with my Morphe 35B palette. Going to take this peachy color to begin with. Oh my god, my bloody nose is killing me. Let me tell ya. Alright, so we're going to start this in this inner corner here. Really blend. Oh shoot. We didn't do baking. Look, it's already falling. Ah. Alright, I'm going to take my baking powder. Mostly underneath the eyes. So yes, straight in here. Kind of bring it all the way up to the eyebrow bone and then back down. Okay, and I'm going to take brighter orange and really make this orange now. So I'm going to take the KVD Saint Center palette and we're going to take this orange color here. It's a little bit more of like a dark orange brown. So we're going to try and use this as like more of a crease color to kind of darken this all up a little bit. Particularly right at the front here. Okay, taking a bigger brush with nothing on it. Just using that around the edges to really blend. Okay. No, what the hell happened there? Rude. Alright, I'm going to take this Marc Jacobs palette. This is Scandalust. And I'm going to take this dark brown. Just the tiniest bit. I'm going to mix that with that orange we were just using. And we're just going to put this in this inner corner because we really kind of need to darken it up a little bit. Okay. I think we're gonna move on to brows. So I kind of want to see what we can do here. So I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs Brow Wow. This is the darkest color. And we're gonna start this brow. So I'm really focusing heavy on the inside here. Okay, you know what? This isn't gonna work. Gotta try something different, boys. I'm gonna take a little angled brush and we're gonna go back in with this brown we were using. And we're gonna do the brows like this. I'm gonna go over the ends of this now, just with a little concealer brush. Just gonna set that super quickly with a bit of powder. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit harder in with this dark brown. At the ends of the brows here. Okay, so we need some stuff on the lid. So I think you guys all know where the hell I'm going. We are doing glitter, baby. So I'm gonna take my foundation color and a little concealer brush. And we're sort of just gonna like, I'm not gonna cut a crease. I don't want any of that business. I'm just gonna sort of place this kind of messily all over. Alright. So we're taking this bright orange glitter. Because I really want this to be obvious that this is an orange tutorial, not like a brown tutorial. And I'm just going to use my same brush that we were using. Put that inside, pick it up, and put it straight on. We're going to do just a little bit of a wing, which obviously should have probably happened before the glitter, but what are you going to do about it? Okay, I don't know where the hell this is going, but we're hoping that this is going at least somewhere. I'm gonna get rid of all this now. Okay, we're just gonna do, just gonna do a tiny bit underneath. I'm gonna take the original oranges that we were using in the 35B palette. Just on like a flat brush. Just like ever so slightly run that underneath. Okay, let's move on to mascara. So I want to try and just do mascara on the outer corners because I really want to keep this whole like pulled up look. So we're going to be very, very careful here. Get rid of like the bulk of what's on your mascara wand. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my little one now and just like kind of fix it up a bit. Okay, well I'm gonna just use this lipstick. I don't know what this is. This is Savvy lipstick in the color Coral. And we're gonna outline. It's a little bit too red, I think. Okay, that one's too, it's not the right color. I'm gonna take this one. This is the Absolute New York Intense Lip Polish in Real Orange. That's kind of pretty. Okay, let's go on to some, I don't know what we're doing now. I want to do like a little bit more blush. So I'm actually going to take my blush brush and kind of mix a bit of like these oranges and pinks together. Just like ever so slightly. All right, cool. Let's do some highlighter. So y'all know which one's my favorite. It's the Metal Crush palette. Get some of that on there. So I have some lashes here, but these definitely are gonna need a bit of a snippy snip. because we're only putting them on the outer corners. So I'm going to take these and I'm sort of going to cut them to the way I like. I think this is it, you guys. So this has kind of ended up being like quite a simple look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found something helpful. So these are the eyes. We've got like all the obviously all the orange underneath, and then we've really like hardened it up around the eyebrows. And then we've got some glitter and a big old wing with a big orange lip, which I'm actually really obsessed with. I really like it. And then just a bit of highlighter. So super simple, pretty easy. So this is my orange monochromatic look. Honestly, the reason it's so simple is because I quickly realized that I didn't have a whole lot of orange makeup. Like I had like 3 shadows, 1 lipstick, and that was kind of it. So this is sort of what I came up with. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Again, go over to my Patreon, sign up for my Patreon. It's linked down below. There's another tutorial in there. And then that's it. I'm going to see you guys next week for another video. We're going to be doing yellow, which I'm really excited about. I feel like yellow is going to be really fun. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to see you guys next week. And thanks for watching. Bye.